If you are looking for a doorbell camera without monthly fees, this XTU wireless video doorbell model XTU J10 is worth considering. The XTU J10 is a wireless Wi-Fi video doorbell camera with Chime, designed to enhance home security with features such as high-definition video, two-way audio, motion detection, and smart home integration. You may have many questions about this XTU wireless doorbell camera, and this video aims to provide important information for your purchasing decision. We will discuss the features and specifications of the camera, step by step on how to set up this camera, and its advantages and disadvantages. I have also included the link to the product in the video description and comments section, if you would like to know more about the J10 camera. If you're new to this channel and interested in tech reviews, follow TechTube TV for my future consumer tech contents. Now let's get into the video. This is the XTU J10 product box. There is an illustration of the battery-powered doorbell camera and its indoors unit. The main features of the J10 are printed here. At the back, explanations of the features are printed. This video doorbell model is called Bell J10, and the power input requirement is DC 5V 1 ampere. Let's open the box to see its contents. These are all the items from the product box. You get a black-colored XTU J10 video doorbell camera. This is the wireless Chime. One USB-A to USB-C charging cable. A star-shaped screwdriver. Camera mounting screws. A double-sided sticker. 2 security monitoring stickers. And a XTU J10 user manual. Let's look at the physical design and construction of the XTU J10 video doorbell camera. The camera body is made of hard plastic, and it comes attached with the removable mounting bracket. To remove it, use the provided star-shaped screwdriver to remove the security screw. At the front of the doorbell, this is the camera, below it is the PIR motion sensor. This tiny hole is the microphone. This doorbell button has circular patterns, and around it is the LED indicator light. This camera comes with a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. At the side are the rubber protective covers. The top cover has a camera reset button and a USB Type-C charging port. The other cover has a microSD memory card slot. MicroSD card is not included, so you will need to get one separately to save video recordings locally. At the back, this is the speaker. This is the Chime, which is meant for indoors. At the front is the speaker and the LED indicator light. At the side, there are 3 buttons. First is Settings, next is the Volume Control, and the Ringtone Selection button. This device runs on 3 AAA batteries. This user manual is quite good and covers the important information and required setup steps. The current model J10 sold on the website captures video in 2K resolution for surveillance, which should provide clear and detailed footage. The one I have is a 3-megapixel model. The difference between 2K and 3 megapixel is not too much. 2K video resolution is approximately 3.7 megapixel. XTU J10 is equipped with real-time two-way audio. The doorbell allows you to communicate directly with visitors through its built-in microphone and speaker. The device offers customizable PIR motion detection zones and sensitivity settings, enabling it to recognize humans, pets, vehicles, and packages and send timely notifications to your smartphone. Privacy zone masking. You can define your own monitored area, so activity outside of it, such as passing pedestrians, animals, or vehicles won't be recorded, reducing unnecessary alerts. You have the choice between local storage via microSD card, supported up to 128 gigabytes but not included, and optional encrypted cloud storage for video recordings. The J10 is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home or Assistant, allowing for voice control and integration into existing smart home ecosystems. The J10 camera operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. It is important to note that it does not support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The doorbell camera allows for clear video capturing in low light conditions. It also includes enhanced night vision capabilities using IR, ensuring visibility up to 33 feet in dark conditions. Designed for easy installation, this doorbell can be mounted using adhesive tape or screws. It includes a multi-angle bracket for versatile and optimal positioning. Quickly set up through the app and enjoy features like video playback, live streaming, battery monitoring, and real-time communication, giving you peace of mind while you're away. XTU Wireless Doorbell supports family device sharing for increased safety and monitoring. I will now show you how to set up the XTU J10 doorbell camera. First, charge the camera using the USB-C charging cable. A solid red LED status light indicates the battery is charging. A solid blue light means it is fully charged. Next step is to get the app. Search for the MoreCam app from the App Store and install it. Make sure the phone is connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is turned on. Run the MoreCam app. Create a user account using your email ID. Press the doorbell button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. In the app, tap the Scan Code to Add button. Tap the Start Scanning button. Scan the QR code at the back of the doorbell camera. The camera is now added to the mobile app. Tap the Enter Configuration button. Next, select and connect to a Wi-Fi connection. Let me show you the step-by-step process.
Press the bell button and tap Next. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Connecting.
Now choose a family group for the camera and follow the steps.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press Next to enter network diagnostic.
The doorbell camera has been set up and running, as can be seen in its video live stream. The app may check and notify you if there is any new version of the app available. Perform updates to get the latest features and bug fixes. The next step is to pair the indoor chime with the doorbell camera. Press the setting button on the chime, and the chime will be in pairing mode for 20 seconds, with its LED flashing red. Press the doorbell to send a pairing signal. When the LED flashes blue, chime pairing is successful. Press this button to change the chime sound or music. There are 4 options to choose from. To save video footage locally, insert a microSD card. It supports up to 128 gigabytes. The included mounting bracket allows you to position the camera in 5 different angles. It is easy to angle it in, and tightening the screw will fix it in position. This allows much more flexible placement of the doorbell camera. Now let's explore the app. What I'm showing you now is correct at the time of this video, and newer versions may be different. This is the home screen of the MoreCam app. The plus icon is to add a new device manually or by scanning QR code. The menu here customizes the display of devices and contact customer service. There is an option to subscribe to a paid cloud storage, but I am testing this doorbell with a local storage using a microSD card. At the bottom are tabs, currently at the Home tab, then Messages tab has 4 types of message grouping. The Explore tab is to discover more XTU products, and the Me tab with more options. This is the J10 camera thumbnail, where you can tap on the play icon to get a live view. Live view options are included, such as taking screenshots, intercom talk, record, and more. History tab shows the recorded videos and give options to choose from calendar, screenshot, record, download, and more. Cloud tab lists the recordings that are stored in cloud storage. Tap the gear icon here to go to the camera settings page where you can set and configure various options. You can also enable the motion detection so that the doorbell camera captures video when movement is detected, even when the doorbell button is not pressed. This XTU J10 doorbell camera is now ready to use, and I'm going to test the video footage. These are some sample videos that are recorded due to motion detection. Using the MoreCam app, I can view or download the clips. This is another video clip recorded by the XTU J10 doorbell camera. It is good to have auto recording to monitor visitors. I tested the XTU J10 doorbell camera for a while, and there are a lot of positives about this device. The video quality is reasonably clear, making it easy to identify visitors, deliveries, or unwanted guests. There is real-time two-way audio, and you can view live video. The doorbell allows you to communicate directly with visitors through its built-in microphone and speaker. Motion detection triggers video recording and sends you an alert in the app. Although cloud storage keeps the video recordings safe in case the camera is damaged or stolen, I like that I can store videos locally in a microSD card. The Morecam mobile app has all the necessary features and is quite easy to use. The camera is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, allowing for voice control and integration into existing smart home ecosystems. You can share access to the camera to your family members, so others can monitor or communicate with visitors. With the built-in adjustable bracket, you can fine-tune the angle even after installation to the wall. The J10 has IP66 waterproofing and is suitable for use in exposed outdoor areas. Despite all the great things about this camera, there is one thing that I wish the company would improve on. The microSD card slot is at the side and is easily accessible. Someone could just steal the microSD card. If the slot is at the back, it would be hidden and not accessible. My current solution for this problem is to place the camera near the wall and angle it, making it hard to access the microSD card slot. Another option is to buy a doorbell camera case that protects it from all sides. The XTU J10 is a feature-rich and reasonably priced camera, and the software is great. I would buy this again if needed. If you are interested in purchasing the J10, the link is in the comments and description section. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, you can follow this channel for my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.